Yes, I've been reading your guys' comments, Crypto ZX, please talk about Algorand on a day-to-day basis. I'm trying to cover so many updates for you guys. The amount of requests coming in on a day-to-day basis is quite large. So I try my best to, try to fit everything in. So I've kind of made up, as to how we're going to go. With Algorand, I'll try my best to give you guys updates every other day. If you want it every single day, try to let me know in the comments down below because that shows me that you guys are interested. If not, we're going to stick to every other day in terms of day-to-day analysis updates. But if you're looking across the board, we're seeing amazing amount of momentum. Algorand up about 4.2% with the price currently sitting at 25.4 cents. Also up about 4.6% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap approaching $2.6 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $258.2 million. We're seeing quite an interesting correlation between a lot of projects. What I mean by that is I want you guys to take a look at the chart of you could even look at the chart of ADA, you can look at the chart of XLM, you can look at the chart of HBAR. You'll notice a specific trend playing out, and what that is, a lot, the projects are consolidating pretty close to the monthly high. We haven't actually broken out of that range. I know there's a lot of other coins that are actually breaking towards some of their monthly highs or even higher than that, and retesting some of the yearly highs, but you're not seeing that happening with the coins that I have just listed, but they're holding very, very nicely, which I think is going to really cause that next leg up to occur sooner rather than later, because I'm looking at for confirmations, and there's pretty much a lot of confirmations across the board, which I'm going to obviously highlight in this update. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So one of the biggest confirmations that is right in front of us is the fact that the dominance is continuing to fall quite sharply, and this is bigger than and this is bullish, more bullish than a lot of people expect, because right now the way dominance is pulling down is great to see, specifically for altcoins. And if you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin's ranging around this level, around the 118,400. We actually came up to 120,000. Regardless of that, dominance did not budge. You're still seeing the dominance falling down, and that's giving altcoins a push towards the upside, and you can see this across the board. XRP retesting some of the levels it hasn't seen since the beginning of the year, and I think altcoins are about to follow. A lot of these projects are pretty much ranging quite nicely according to the monthly high that we set for ourselves just this month. As far as Algorand is concerned, Algorand has a long way to go. I've been quite straightforward with you guys on that. We're still in the bear market zone, but we are making steady moves. And right now, you can see this for yourself. If I were to zoom out, where we're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of significant amount of resistance around the 29 cents mark. If we're able to break out of here, I really do believe this next push could take us up to the likes of the 32 cents key resistance, and then pretty much heading up to the 42 cents main level. And I don't want you guys to I don't want you guys to forget about the way Algorand is consolidating. That's what I just literally stated to you guys before. And if I show you guys the visuals on an hourly perspective, this is a beautiful consolidation playing out right here. A beautiful, beautiful consolidation. I think it's just imminent, for this breakout towards the upside, and we start heading up to that level that I just spoke to you guys about. So far, so good. Really, really like what I'm seeing here with Algorand, and I do project that we do see a breakout sooner rather than later. Keep a very close eye on the dominance. If dominance falls down to the 61.86% and Bitcoin even stays stagnant around this level, I think we are about to see a big push for a lot of altcoins, including Algorand. Again, this is my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.